Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and today we're looking at a fantastic range hood from the good folks at Robam. Now, Robam has been making high quality products, being an industry leader in premium kitchen products for over 11 years now. Now, this is one of the most advanced hoods that I've ever had a chance to use, so we're going to give you a full and thorough evaluation. We're going to check it out, tell you all the details, let you know if it's the right product for you, and kick it off right now. So folks, in this video, we're going to talk about why it stands out, why we picked it up. We're going to cover its powerful suction, AI smart control, effortless cleaning, and of course, all of the intelligent features that will take your kitchen to the absolute next level. Now folks, imagine you're working in the kitchen. Maybe you're doing some stir fry, maybe you're working on some steaks, some sizzle, you've got maybe some hamburgers that you're working on, and that smoke starts rising, and that's where this thing really, truly performs and shines. This comes in two sizes, 30-inch and 36-inch. It's equipped with advanced BLDC brushless motors. The 30-inch model I have delivers a powerful 1200 CFM, while the 36-inch model does 1400 CFM. This is extremely strong performance even during intense cooking. It clears out smoke, gets rid of odors, and of course, it refreshes the air in a matter of minutes. Your kitchen won't be clouded with lingering smoke. It will be clean, fresh, and efficiently purified. All right, folks, now imagine I'm working with some chicken. My hands are gross, they're covered in bacteria. I don't want to be touching my appliances. So all I have to do is wave my hand, turn that fan on. Now it's on speed 3. Do it again, speed 6, speed 9. So we can turn up and down the power, and that is a powerful vacuum suction. We want to turn it down to 6 again, 3. We've got the LED display right here to where we can see exactly what it's doing. On and off, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now folks, I absolutely love that it's got this light here and the filter itself. We've got the Easy Clean A++ filter that we can take on and off very easily and efficiently. Goes ahead, sets right up there. So this is a great design to get rid of 98% of grease, and combined with the nano oil repellent technology, grease and grime don't stick. It naturally slides off. This is great for maintenance, cleanliness, and it is so easy to use and stress-free. I also love how easy this is to control with the buttons you see right here. Adjusting the fan control, the big LED light, everything you need at a push of a button right there. Easy to understand, smudge resistant, fingerprint resistant as well. So folks, I just want to show you how cool this is. You see how it is recessed in, curved up, looks cool. You press a button. In this case, it's going to go ahead and open up, and it's going to open up to cover your entire range. And that's going to make sure that no greasy, smoky air gets out into your kitchen. Just a smart design here. When you're done, it will go ahead and delay closing. So you're done, and it will go ahead and wait a minute before it closes to make sure that all that dirty air gets out of the way. When it's all said and done, it will go ahead and close up accordingly and look beautiful in your kitchen again and not take up all that space. This is one heck of a range hood. So now on to the smart features. As built-in automatic adjusting fan speed based on real-time airflow resistance. If the duct pressure is high, it increases the suction. Once the air is clear, it reduces the power. Efficient and intelligent. Now, this is something that no other hood I've ever seen does. Like I said, it also has that delayed shutdown, and after cooking, it continues to run to ensure residual smoke is completely gone. In addition, the 1.2 liter large capacity oil cup reduces frequent emptying, making it easy to maintain. Of course, it comes in a variety of colors. You can get glossy matte, matte gray, or glossy white. It is really stylish, and it's going to suit your kitchen perfectly no matter what the color. Robam has an 11-year streak of global leadership that speaks for itself. They've got powerful suction, quiet operation, smart features, and you'll understand exactly why they're so popular. These guys have everything that I've ever wanted in a range hood and a whole lot more. And folks, it's actually about 2 weeks later now. We're fast forwarding a little bit. We've been using this for a while. One of the things that I like about this is that it is easy to wipe off and keep fingerprints off of, keep any splatter off of. This is a nice material that is easy to clean. Just a wet rag, maybe a sponge, let it dry. It looks good all the time. So the ease of cleaning is definitely a selling point that I wanted to point out after using it for a while. And you can see just how easy it is to rinse this off. So even if you've been cooking all day, just rinse it off, let it dry, and put it back. And folks, just for a second, I'm gonna burn this bacon just so you can see the smoke go right in here. So hopefully we'll show you an overlay of the smoke going in, and you'll be able to see how efficiently we're able to keep that smoke going out of the house and keep it from staying in the house. Now, how cool is that? Look how efficient that is. And folks, I want to show you firsthand how powerful this is. We have it on the setting of 9, and it is literally vacuuming up anything we have from cooking. This is powerful and efficient all at the same time. Now folks, I personally like that this is higher quality material than the competition. I like that this comes out instead of being recessed in, making sure smoke isn't getting out into my kitchen. They've just done a great job here. Overall, I love the fact that it was easy to install as well. Installation took less than 30 minutes. I expected this to be a much bigger, more obtrusive project to set up, but it was actually very easy and efficient. So, my favorite aspects, I love the fact that this kind of recesses. I love that it's smart. I love that it picks up the pressure when it's needed, and I love that it shuts down and cleans out easily and efficiently. The hand wave to adjust the speed is just so cool, and we've got it from a brand that has a reputation for making high quality products that I've never seen anyone even in their league. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Easy to set up, comes with everything you need, and it won't break the bank. Folks, it's time for you to go ahead and get to shopping. What are you waiting for? This is absolutely the best of the best. Folks, thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? All right, with that being said, adios amigos, go get you one.